This is a dead Commodore Plus 4. I'm trying to figure out what's going on with it. So looking for suggestions. Now, on the board itself I have replaced the RAM, all of it, with new stuff. These logic ICs, I'll give you something to play with. So everything that's in the socket is new, well, apart from that. I've replaced the small electrolytics. CPU does get warm. I'm not sure if that's just because it's not coming out of reset. I have replaced, that's the original, but I put new ones in and it didn't make any difference. The fuse was blown, obviously I replaced it. Looking for ideas as to what to try. That's it. Comments, please. Thank you. Cheers.